Hey guys, Brad Kaufman here with Catamaran Guru. I'm here to show you our new Bali 4.6. Quick walkthrough. So the 4.6 that we're on today, this is an owner's version 4.6. So it has 4 cabins. One side is completely dedicated to, as an owner's berth, and the other side has 3 cabins. So it's great for charter management, placement. It's also great for a private liveaboard. So the center cabin can be used kind of as a workroom. So Bali's known for its open space design. What they did was they moved the midline bulkhead to the back of the boat and added all this much more usable space with a big garage door. If you've ever been to one of the boat shows, they're known really for the big back garage door. The other part, creature comforts of home. Large double door refrigerator. So it's just like in the house at home. So a big spacious galley, 4-burner hub. Looking forward, you'll notice the forward door. So all the Balis from 42 on up have a forward door. And this one's outfitted with a beautiful sun awning forward and a fixed foredeck. So we eliminated the trampoline to add a lot more usable space forward. There's plenty of space for a couple. As you can see, beautiful living area. There's a bench here. Vanity table. Separate head and shower, so you have your head. And then what's nice is two basins. You notice a large shower, and then his and her sink. So the galley in the Bali 4.6 gives you the ability to also put a dishwasher. So it takes up this cabinet space right here. That's something we outfit here in the US with 110 volt systems. And you can also outfit it with a washer dryer. Get all this space up forward. The beautiful sun awning, 4 people seated around the table. Now let's take a walk up to the flybridge. So beautiful thing about this is you have excellent view of everything around there. You're not hindered by structures or sails. So that really easy to single hand sail this boat, or with a couple or lots of friends. But one of the cool features I like about it, I've brought the 46 into many boat shows. So when you're backing it down, you can actually face and reverse, face the direction you're going. So it's very easy to park this boat into tight spaces. So I've sailed the 46 myself several times. It's set up really to sail single-handed should you want to. Everything, all the control lines are led right in front of the helm. And then you can see very perfectly up at your mainsail. So there's windows over above each side looking up at the telltales of the mainsail. But she sails wonderful, self-tacking jib. There's an optional code 0 that can go on the boat, or Jenniker for your downwind, which really helps turbo up the boat. So I've personally chartered several Balis, and one of the coolest features of the Bali is this huge sunbathing area behind the helm. So the last time we were in the BVIs, we were on another Bali, and we must have 4 people sleeping here in this area while I was taking control of the boat. Everybody is just having a wonderful time. But this Balis are excellent for the space, and it's great for a boat as a business concept as well. So at Catamaran Gurus, we specialize in helping clients get into boat as a business. Boat as a business is a great way to lower the cost of ownership and take advantage of tax savings. So with the recent tax laws change this summer, bonus depreciation's back. 100% bonus depreciation can be taken this year. What a wonderful way to do it. People are getting into it to save on taxes, lower the cost of ownership, but also get into that way of life. They want to sail, they want to be on the water, and they want to make wonderful memories with their friends and family. What a better way to do it than on a Bali.